my dear audience, मेरे प्यारे बच्चा लोग, and as I always tell my students and everyone around, do you know, we have been told a lie throughout our life that to be successful, we all have to start big. How many of you think it's correct? We have to start perfect, we have to start big. Raise your hands. Is it correct? Not correct or correct? Some of you say correct, some of you say no. Okay. So, the truth is, to be successful, there is only one thing that you need. It is you. The belief in you. Because nothing is more powerful and more stronger than you and your belief. So have you ever had a dream which is so big, so bold, that it scared you a little? Yes. So have you ever, I think many of us, I think this room is full of medicos, isn't it? So all of you dreamed of becoming a doctor. Once you become doctor, now your dream is something which is very big. So many of you will have a dream which is so big that it might even scare you in the dreams, and you might get up and say, what did I saw? So my dear friends, the size of your dream should not depend upon your beginnings. It should not. So let's start with a poll. So how many of you think success needs money? So if you have more money, you are more successful. Raise your hands. Okay. How many of you think success needs belief? Yes, I can. Good, good. How many of you think success needs connections? So if you have powerful connections, oh my God, so many people. Vishesh, you voted for all three. So my dear friends, even if you don't have anything, success needs belief. Once you have belief in yourself, yes, I can, you have the first key to success. That is very, very important. Do you know, we all celebrate highlighted reels, success stories, billion-dollar startups, award-winning actors. But behind this overnight successes, there are nights of loneliness. There are nights of hard work. There are nights of hearing from people, time क्यों waste कर रहा है? नहीं होगा तेरे से. So times of becoming like a horse. You know what is the characteristic feature of horse? So they have blinds here. वो कुछ नहीं सुनते, सिर्फ एक ही चीज करते रहते हैं. So we don't see that. We just celebrate their success. So remember, belief is the most powerful thing that you should have. So let me take you to my story. You know, I belong to a very, very small place from this country, very small town called Pathankot. How many of you have heard of Pathankot? I know everybody has, terrorist attack, right? So it's a small border between India and Pakistan. It's a very, very small town. And I came from that town. My mother tells me, as a small little girl who had one dream when I was small, to get selected in the biggest school of Pathankot. So that was the biggest dream I had at that time. So that was my dream. And I believed, हाँ मैं तो कर लूँगी मम्मी, हाँ मैं तो select हो जाऊँगी. So I believed. So that was my big dream at that time. So what are big dreams? So big dreams का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि बहुत बड़े सपने. Anything that inspires you so deeply that you want to do that. It becomes your passion. That is a big dream. Think about what is the big dream that you have right now. Many of you will have, यार PG entrance clear हो जाए, बस यही मेरा big dream है. Many of you will say, no, I should become very successful. I should earn a lot of money. Many of you will feel that I should be very, very popular. So each one of you have your different big dreams. So your dream can be very, very big, okay? But you have to start small. One step at a time, dear friends, one step at a time, okay? So because this is called as faith of leap. तुम पहला पैर रखते हो तुम्हें आगे पता नहीं होता कि स्टेयरकेस कितनी लंबी है, पर पहला पैर रखना ज़रूरी है. सो टू कीप दैट फर्स्ट फुट इज़ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट. अगर वो नहीं रखा तो आगे नहीं बढ़ पाओगे. पैथोलॉजी को देखा और देख के बोला यार इतनी बड़ी रॉबिन्स मैं तो पढ़ ही नहीं पाऊंगा. पहला पेज खोलना ज़रूरी है, तभी आगे पढ़ पाओगे. सो व्हाट इज द मिथ ऑफ परफेक्ट स्टार्ट? कुछ लोग बोलते हैं नहीं, पढ़ना स्टार्ट करूंगा तो परफेक्टली करूंगा, नहीं तो मैं तो नहीं करूंगा, परफेक्ट स्टार्ट होना चाहिए. सो दिस नथिंग कॉल्ड एज परफेक्ट स्टार्ट. अगेन आई विल टेक यू टू माई स्टोरी. सो आई कम फ्रॉम अ वेरी लो मिडिल क्लास फैमिली. मेरे घर में कोई डॉक्टर नहीं था, पता भी नहीं था कि एंट्रेंस होती है डॉक्टरी के लिए. सो हमारे टाइम में इन द ईयर 2000, so and that year we used to have two medical entrances, one state entrance, दूसरा all India entrance. So state entrance से मुझे मिला पंजाब. Okay, so that's the area from where I belong. So that's Punjab. Pathankot comes in Punjab. It's a border of Punjab, Himachal and Jammu and Kashmir. It's a small border area. So I got selected and I was getting a medical college in Punjab. But all India में I got a rank of 450. It was not great. इतना बड़ा नहीं था कि मुझे दिल्ली मिलता या एम्स मिलता. It was not good enough. So अब हम 12th क्लास के बच्चे, क्या पता कहाँ जाना है. तो मेरे पापा ने, उस टाइम गूगल भी नहीं था, तो मेरे पापा ने रिसर्च करी. बोला ऐसा है बेटा, मैंने पता किया है साउथ में ना पढ़ाई बहुत अच्छी होती है, तो तुम ना ऐसा करो, एक साउथ का मेडिकल कॉलेज है वहाँ मैंने पता किया है बहुत अच्छी पढ़ाई है. तो मैंने बोला कौन सा? पापा ने बोला CMC. मैंने पता किया बहुत अच्छा कॉलेज है, वहीं एडमिशन ले लो. मैंने बोला ठीक है बाबा, बाप बोल रहे हो ठीक है. बाद में जाके पता चला वो CMC कोयम्बटूर मेडिकल कॉलेज था और वहाँ मैंने एडमिशन ले ली. ओके, सो माई स्टार्ट वॉजंट परफेक्ट. सोच के मैं आई CMC, गूगल तो था नहीं, पर निकला वो गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेज कोयम्बटूर. बट वट एवर इज इट, ऑलवेज बिलीव योर डेस्टिनी. शायद मेरे लिए वही स्टार्ट लिखी थी. दैट वॉज द स्टार्ट ऑफ माई जर्नी. सो आई बिलीव्ड माई कि ठीक है भगवान ने कुछ तो सोचा होगा मेरे लिए. दैट वॉज माई डेस्टिनी. आई सेड ठीक है, कुछ ना करने से हमेशा बेहतर है कुछ करना. इट इज ऑलवेज गुड टू स्टार्ट. यू नीडंट बी ग्रेट टू स्टार्ट, बट येस यू हैव टू बी स्टार्ट टू बी ग्रेट. अब हर बार जब हम देखते हैं एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी लोगों को, तो वो शुरू से एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी नहीं होते, वो पहले ऑर्डिनरी होते हैं. वो कुछ करते हैं और उसके बाद वो एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी बन जाते हैं. तो वो करना बहुत ज़रूरी है टू बिकम एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी. सो यू नो, एवरी टाइम व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल टू पठानकोट फ्रॉम कोयम्बटूर, इमेजिन द जर्नी. आई बीइंग अ लोअर मिडिल क्लास गर्ल ट्रेन से आती थी. कोयम्बटूर से पठानकोट आने के लिए दिल्ली में स्टॉप होता था, क्योंकि डायरेक्ट ट्रेन तो थी नहीं. तो दिल्ली के रेलवे स्टेशन से जब मैं उतरती थी, एवरी टाइम आई यूज्ड टू लैंड देयर, गेट डाउन, आई यूज्ड टू से एक दिन यहाँ पर आऊँगी मैं, ये इसके कॉलेज में एडमिशन लूँगी, दिल्ली में आऊँगी मैं, और मैं इसके लिए काम करूँगी, हर रोज़ पढ़ूँगी. आई विल शो अप एवरी डे बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू क्लियर my entrance with internship. So when you start believing in something, the pura environment, the whole world starts revolving around you. When you start dreaming something, the whole universe revolves that yes, this should happen to her because she's dreaming for that. This is called power of manifestation and it is there. जब तुम कुछ इतना दिल से चाहते हो तो वो ज़रूर पूरा होता है. एंड दैट्स कॉल्ड पावर ऑफ मैनिफेस्टेशन. एंड आई हैड अ ड्रीम विच वॉज सो बिग, सो बोल्ड कि मैं अपने सबसे क्लोजेस्ट फ्रेंड को भी नहीं बता सकती थी कि मेरी ड्रीम क्या है. सो टुडे आई कैन शेयर इट विद यू बिकॉज आई फेल्ट दैट ड्रीम वॉज टू एम्बिशियस फॉर मी. Because I didn't had money, I didn't had resources, I didn't had road map कि कैसे करना है. But I had that dream, and that dream was that I wanted to become a very good diagnostician. I used to feel कि ऐसा diagnostician बनो जो सब diagnosis बना पाए. ऐसे कोई भी पेशेंट ना हो जिसका डायग्नोसिस नहीं बन रहा, अगर वो मेरे पास आएगा तो मैं उसका डायग्नोसिस बना पाऊँ। मैं इतनी पॉपुलर हूँ कि कोई बोले जब किसी से डायग्नोसिस नहीं बनेगा ना तो डॉक्टर वंदना के पास जाना, वो ज़रूर बना लेंगी। So that was my dream. So to become a diagnostician, I finally joined MD Pathology in Lady Hardinge Medical College in the year 2007. So, and that was with internship. So once I came to this college, सक्सेसफुल होने के बाद ना कभी अपने चैलेंजेस नहीं भूलने चाहिए। अगर हम अपने चैलेंजेस को भूल जाएंगे ना तो we will not be correct. So I remember what was the challenge that I faced when I was a second year student. The challenge was, जब भी पैथोलॉजी पढ़ते थे कुछ समझ तो आता नहीं था, स्लाइडें तो समझ आती ही नहीं थी। वो स्लाइडों को माइक्रोस्कोप में देख के नहीं समझते थे हम, उनके क्रैक्स, उनके लेबल, उनकी शेप, उनकी हिस्ट्रीज वो देख के समझते थे। एग्ज़ाम में एक स्लाइड दे दी गई और हमने बना रखा था कि भैया एक्यूट अपेंडिसाइटिस की स्लाइड पे क्रैक है, उन्होंने स्लाइड बदल दी। अब उसके बाद हम ये स्लाइड तो थी नहीं, अब देखो कुछ था तो है नहीं, तो सारी क्लास की वो स्लाइड गलत हुई, किसी ने भी सही नहीं बनाई। तो वो इसलिए क्योंकि हमने तो उसको क्रैक से ही पहचाना हुआ था, अंदर तो देखना ही नहीं था। तो आई न्यू that there is a big lacuna. Okay, so there is a lacuna. There was deficiency in the teacher and student learning. So remember, there is no bad student. There is only bad teacher. कभी bad student नहीं होता, उसको तो बेचारे को कुछ आता ही नहीं है, तुम उसको जैसा ट्रेन करोगे वो वैसा ही ट्रेन होगा। So this is the only, there was a big lacuna in the teaching of the teachers and the students. So I thought इसको ठीक करना बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है, नहीं तो I will not be able to attain what I wish to. So I took it as a challenge and I loved teaching. बहुत अच्छा लगता था। MD पैथोलॉजी में अंडर ग्रेजुएट्स को जैसे पढ़ाने लगे, I loved it. That was my first experience of teaching. I loved it. I took it as a challenge that I will teach my students in a way that they will understand everything. They will understand what is behind this pink and blue. So कहीं पर भी अगर वो जाएंगे और अगर कहीं भी रिमोट एरिया में बैठे हैं, वहाँ पे कोई स्मीयर फीवर के साथ आएगा, स्मीयर देखेंगे तो मलेरिया पहचान पाएंगे। तो that was my challenge, and this challenge sparked a dream in me. So with that dream, I launched my first book for pathology, which was successful, but unfortunately, it was not able to reach the masses. So मैं चाहती थी जहाँ तक सब पूरे इंडिया तक फैलाना, वो नहीं हो पाया. So then I tapped the power of social media, and I opened. उस टाइम पे social media was Facebook. तो बहुत पुरानी generation की हूँ मैं. So you can imagine that. So that Facebook also became quite a successful. At that time, I got 55.6K followers. But still कमी थी students में पहुँचने में. तब उस टाइम पे मैं मिली डॉक्टोरियल से. They were e-learning resource. They said कि मैम we are making an e-learning resource. They were just starting. Startup था ये. E-learning resource बना रहे हैं. मैम the plan is that we will make videos which will reach every corner of the country. चाहे वो त्रिपुरा है, चाहे वो अंडमान निकोबार है, everybody can see your content. So I said, why not? If I want to teach everyone, why not? Let's start. So that was how I was the first faculty to enter into doctorals. And the plan was to teach to each and every person. And then came your Instagram. So in Instagram, then I started posting my daily cases. So I am a working professor at Lady Hardinge Medical College. And Lady Hardinge Medical College is one of the largest pediatric hospital. कलावती सरन, जिसको pediatric करनी होती है top rank का, वो कलावती सरन में ही आता है. So big load of pediatrics we have. I get so many cases every day, and I make sure that I keep posting those cases on my Instagram so that people can resonate with me that, okay, this case, if it comes, it should be like this. You can ask your queries. So that is how I tapped the power of social media. And once I was concentrating on medical students, nursing students came to me and said, "Ma'am, हमारे लिए भी कुछ आप निकाल दीजिए." So we also have a nursing college in our institution. So I came up with a book for nursing student also. That is just first step for now. So your dreams should keep on evolving. You know, there was still one unfulfilled dream in my heart. And this is the dream which will be there in every undergraduate. What is that? To study in the most premier institute of this country. What is that? AIIMS, New Delhi. Plus, I was dealing with a lot of pediatric patients. So I was seeing a lot of thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, aplastic anemia, leukemias, patients suffering with that. So these can be prevented. But I wanted to analyze कि what is the correlation. कोई thalassemia वाला इसको हर 15 दिन में blood चाहिए, किसी thalassemia वाले को 1 महीने में blood चाहिए. I wanted to analyze why there is so much phenotypic difference between both. So I thought, why not study the genotype of it? कल को हम gene therapy बना के इनको ठीक कर पाएं. So let's focus on hematology. So with that plan in mind, I started preparing again. And I cracked the exam for DM hematology at AIIMS New Delhi. So I joined DM and I finished my hemat. And knowledge is power. Today, I'm an expert in primary immunodeficiency disorders in the country. कल morning भी मैंने talk ली है in ESI Faridabad. So I've started dealing with immune disorders in children which present with hematological manifestation, especially in sepsis. So the point is, start wherever you can, with whatever you can, and do whatever you can to reach the goal. You don't have to think कि मेरे को अभी के अभी decide करना है कि मैं आगे क्या बनने वाला हूँ. नहीं. The path will keep on evolving as you start. पहले start तो करो. जैसे तुम start करते जाओगे, रास्ता खुद ब खुद दिखता जाएगा. जैसे जैसे तुम patient से interact करोगे, तुम्हें खुद ब खुद पता चलेगा कि मेरे को किस चीज़ में interest आ रहा है. Today is the world of specialization. You will keep on specializing yourself. मुझे onco अच्छा लग रहा है, मुझे सिर्फ सिक्कल अच्छा लग रहा है, मुझे thalassemia अच्छा लग रहा है. You'll keep on evolving yourself. So the only thing I will say to everyone is that right now is the perfect time to start. You have to start now. पर ऐसा नहीं है कि we all celebrate, end lines, success stories. We don't see the hard work, mess behind that. So the only thing that I will request all of you is, dream to karo, but then you have to follow that dream. How? It is not blind optimism. It is that you have to take one step at a time. Show up. That's very, very important. Show up every day. Har din show up karo. I have to study every day. I have to show up. Follow whatever you have to do. Follow your dreams. Blindly नहीं कि मैंने बना लिया सपना अब अपने आप पूरा होगा. No. You have to follow it up. So what is the smallest action you can take towards your dream today? Just to show up. Always remember, don't wait for the stars to align. जब तारों का ऐसा बनेगा नक्षत्र तभी हम start करेंगे. Don't wait for that. Start now. Don't compare your stage 1 to day 1000 of somebody. Don't compare. Because you are neither late, neither you are early. You are on perfect time for your own journey. तुम सही हो, perfect time पर हो अपनी journey के लिए. The only thing you need to do is start now. Start scared, बहुत डर लग रहा है. Start now. Start small. थोड़ा थोड़ा पढ़ो, पर अच्छे से पढ़ो. समझो उसको. अच्छे से अपने concepts बनाओ. And act now. करो. I request all of you, Abhinav, you all are pigeons. Rise up and become the flamingo in the flock of pigeons, because all of you have the potential to do that. Thank you so much, guys.